Hi friends, wonderful morning to all. This is Mahalakshmi from 9th standard. Today I am going to tell you about ATM machine. How does ATM machine work? Introduction. The automated teller machine ATM is an automatic banking machine ABM that allows the customer to complete basic authentication without any help from bank responsibilities. There are two types of automated teller machine ATM. The basic one allows the customer to only draw cash and receive a report for the balanced account. Other one is the more complex machine that accepts the deposit and deposit card. ATM follows and reports around information. It is an electronic device that is used by only bank customers to propose the account transactions. The users across their accounts through a special type of plastic card that is encoded with user information. The magic strip. Strip was constructed by their accounts through a special type of plastic card that is encoded with the user information or the magic strip. The strip contains an identification code that is transmitted to the bank central computer by modem. The users of the internet the card into ATMs to across the account and process their account transactions. The automated teller machine was invented by John Packard Bacon in the year of 1960. Automated teller machine book in dialogue. The automated teller machine contains of mainly two input devices and four output devices that are input devices, card reader, keypad, output devices, speaker, display screen, receipt printer, cash depositor. Devices in ATM. Speaker. The speaker provides audio feedback when a particular key is pressed. Display screen. The display screen disappears the transaction information. Third step of withdrawal is shown by the display screen. A CRT screen or LCD screen is used by the most of the ATMs. Receipt printer. The receipt printer prints all the details recording without the drawal. And time also it be shown the balance of the account in the receipt. Cash disruptor. The cash disruptor is the heart of the ATM. This is a central system of the ATM from where the required money is absent. From this portion, the user can collect the money. The cash depositor must count each bill and give the required amount. If it is some case of the money is folded, it will be moved to other section and because the receipt bit. All those actions are carried out of high precision sectors. A complete record of each transaction is kept by the ATM with the help of the RTC service. Security. ATM security. A ATM card is secured with the PIN which is kept secret. There is no way to get the PIN from your card. It is encrypted by strong forward like triple data elegant standable. Advantages of automated teller machine. ATM provides 24-hour service. The ATM provides privacy in bank communication. The ATM provides the workload bank safe. Friends, now you can know many things about ATM and ATM machine. Thank you friends. Bye. Have a nice day.